welcome to iLead's Digital Orientation Program 2021, Change is Chance.
अगले 3 वर्षों तक आपका और हमारा मिशन एक ही है कि हम कैसे हमारे इस बच्चे को एक ऐसा व्यक्ति बनाए जो उसमें पोटेंशियल है, उस पोटेंशियल को उसको डिस्कवर करवाना है और उस पोटेंशियल के अनुसार उसको बड़ा अचीवर बनना है।
I really liked the way how things were shown in the orientation. Being to the college as well, I was impressed with the campus and the way the counselor counseled.
The way iLead has taken up in building up the career of children, not only from the academics, but also from the other aspects.
স্পেশালি কলেজের এনভায়রনমেন্টটা আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে। আমি খুব স্যাটিসফাইড कि আমার ছেলে এই কলেজটা জয়েন করেছে।
ओरिएंटेशन में जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में हम लोगों को बताया गया उससे हम लोगों को काफ़ी जानकारी मिली और ये पता चला कि वहाँ वेल इक्विप्ड लैब और वेल इक्विप्ड सारी चीज़ें हैं। अब ये डिपेंड करता है कैंडिडेट के ऊपर में जो इसको कितना यूटिलाइज करे और अपने लाइफ में यूज कर सके।
We would now like to request our chairman, Mr. Pradeep Chopra, to deliver his welcome address. Over to you, sir.
You guys are really very fortunate. And why you are fortunate, let me tell you. Next 3 years will be the most exciting 3 years in the life of iLead and also in your life. Because these 3 years will have the maximum impact on your future. What you do in these 3 years will decide which path your life is going to take. And why I'm saying 3 years are going to be the most exciting life, exciting period for iLead.
The world that we are currently living in, change is not an exception. In fact, it is the rule. Our future is changing too. Change occurs every day until it becomes the new normal. In fact, the reality is that change has nothing to do with us, but has everything to do with how we respond to it.
Welcome, watchers.
I want to show you something.
Unboxing the iLead orientation kit.
But this change shouldn't stop us. We should see change as a start and rise to the occasion. Change is a chance to make the most of this new world, to unfold the new experiences in a way that was never explored before, and to start on the new paths of the new journey yet to be treated upon. The ability to be adaptive, resilient, and hopeful makes us the champion of change. And this year, we have embraced the change. We have embraced the new normal, and we are presenting to you our second digital orientation program, 2021, Change is Chance.
Are you guys waiting for my introduction? Oh my god, yaar, I'm feeling like a star.
I'm very fond of creating stories and the world of imagination in general.
I like to do plenty of things in my free time. It's like nothing particular.
I'm new and I love doing digital artworks and also animations.
I am Tanzila Shahid. I am from the city of Joy, Kolkata, and that is why maybe I'm so joyous.
My main passion is to make people smile and make people laugh by the same laugh.
Here is a piece of my art. I can't wait to meet you all.
Hey guys, this is Anubhav Dasgupta from animation, and my hobby is
just chill, chill, just chill, just chill, chill, just chill, just chill, chill, just chill.
Today, we are very honored and privileged to have with us our guest of honor for the session, Mr. Kaushik Mitra, the Vice President and CFO of PepsiCo India. Now, we would request Mr. Mitra to share a few words with our students.
The first theme is all about developing yourself. And what I mean by developing yourself is the things that you input in yourself which can help you grow. The first part of that is curiosity for learning. Learning never stops. What you're going to do in the next 2-3 years obviously is exactly in that direction. Is you're going to learn a lot of things. But remember, in life, as you keep going, as you get into your workspace, as you get into your careers, whatever you will do in life, never stop learning. This is a very, very important aspect of developing yourself. The way we are learning has changed a lot. What you need is the curiosity, and that's a very, very important thing. Okay, never lose the curiosity for learning, and that is going to stay with you. If you have a curious mind, if you have a learning mind, you will improve every year with every passing interaction that you have in life.
Now, we are very happy to have with us Mr. Shiv Kumar Biswal, who is the head of the TajSATS Kolkata, and he has been associated with TajSATS since 2003.
You guys are also the new batch which are going to get the TajSATS Cafe here at iLead. So that's TajSATS now available at iLead.
So now we are ready to move with the Maggi. So you can take some butter, or you can take white oil, whatever is available at your home. Just a little bit of salt to taste. Now once we are through with the vegetables, we'll add our Maggi. So this is the white Maggi without the Maggi masala. Now you have to just spread this. So we are through with this dish.
आप सभी का स्वागत है खाना खजाना विद चिनप्पा के साथ। तो आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे विशेष चीज़ जो पूरे इंडिया की यूथ को जिंदा रखती है, उसके साथ चाय का स्वाद में तो मज़ा आता है, वो है मैगी। तो आज हम आपको मैगी बनाना सिखाएंगे, अपने एज अ स्टूडेंट एक स्टूडेंट कैसे बनाता है। चलो
you participated and done this lunch activity. Kudos to all of you. This is the first time you're trying this, first of many more to come. We can assure you there will be many nights of you making Maggi.
We'll start with the game which is called Scavenger Hunt. So there will be a song played, okay, and you have to hear the lyrics very well. In the lyrics, there will be mentioned few like household items, okay? So after the song finishes, you have to actually go around the house, find that item, click a selfie with that item and post it in the main orientation group.
छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले छोटे शहरों से खाली भोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले
Upper part is okay, but we are not in proper. I bet most of us are not in proper uniform.
हम चले ओए रामचंद्र हम चले ओए रामचंद्र धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए दे
a lot of fun.
Very much. It was a lot of fun.
We love it.
So fun.
सर कुणाल दास लिखे मेरे घर का वॉशिंग मशीन में इतना आवाज नहीं होता है.
Fine. I've got a wall. I have an old washing machine. It makes that noise, so that I am familiar to that.
The name of this activity is Weirdest Slogan Challenge. So as a team, you have to form a slogan. You have to design a slogan. The slogan best fit to your team or best describe your team. Okay.
Through this PPT, we try to portray an image of our company, the Craft Castle.
I would like to present our brand, Ameni. Ameni, happy returns of the day.
These are some of the items that are being created by our buddies.
Please allow me to show you the actual product. This is the sample bouquet. And this is the handmade flower. This sample bouquet is small in size, but the actual product will be bigger so that 4 to 5 flowers can fit in the bouquet.
Our company main product is handkerchief. They are fully handmade and eco-friendly with beautiful designs. Our company even provide opportunities for women from rural areas to earn and make a living so that they don't need to depend on anyone. They can use their skills and ideas to make these products and deliver throughout the world.
হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার চোখ বান্ধিবি মুখ বান্ধিবি পরাণ বান্ধিবি কেমনে आपकी नसीब में ये रात हो न हो कि शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो
बावरे से पैर चाहे बावरे तरानों के बावरे से बोल पे थिरकना बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना
पायले आ जाना पायले आ जाना पायले आ जाना का লীলা বালি ভর জগতে সৈমর ভর জগতে ঘরে কি দিয়া সাজাই মতরে লীলা বালি ভর জগতে সৈমর ভর জগতে ঘরে কি দিয়া সাজাই মতরে
যদি এই মুঠো ভরা শিউলি ফুল যদি ওই খুলে রাখা কানের দুল লক্ষ্মীটি একবার ঘাড় নেড়ে সম্মতি দাও আমি যাই ছেড়ে